Today we are going to steam salmon with miso paste. We have here 1 piece of salmon, some white miso paste, and some ginger shreds. Pour 1 tablespoon of rice wine over the salmon. Add 1 tablespoon of miso and spread it evenly on the fish. Put the ginger shreds on top. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. Steam the fish for 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, turn off the heat, open the lid for 5 seconds, and close it again. Let the fish continue to steam in the residual heat for another 2 minutes. This is ready. Take out the fish and mix the miso paste with the liquid in the pan. Enjoy!